Okay, so we're down here, we're building the sub box today. This is actually I like doing this shit. Okay, so here's my base of the box. All I've done is I've drilled them out a bit so the screw will sit flush. Okay, and what I'm doing right now is drilling lots and lots and lots of holes. So I've got all the holes for the bottom. I got front, I got the back of there, I got the top there, and I got my two sides. And this is pretty much how the amp's going to sit. As you can see, that's how it's pretty much going to sit on each side. 1 amp, because I've got two of these big mono blocks. So I've got one per side, and then I've got my distribution block at the bottom here, which comes in at a 1 gauge into the bottom, and 4 4s. I only need 3, so I'm going to use 3 of them. But you get it. You have power obviously going to the bottom here, and then round to the other side, round to the top. I'm going to have a smaller amp, which is this amp. So it's the same half size of the monos, and it'll be on the top of the box. I've also got to put 2 bass control knobs on the top, and also got to put tweeters on the top. So we've got a fair bit of drilling here to go, as you can see. But it looks pretty good, I think. Gonna drill it all up today. Probably gonna start putting it together, screwing and gluing. Got my screws and glue, and once it's all put together, I'm going to paint it. Then I'm going to cut my holes out with my jigsaw. This is just over there, which I just bought. And after that, then I'm going to put a fake front on type of thing, which will cover up any of the screws and joins and shit, so it'll look a bit better. And then I'll be cutting holes in it too. And then I'll be spray painting it white, and then you'll see the special effects I'm doing. And yeah, so anyway, that's what we're doing right now. Just gluing and just drilling mainly, just a drill bit, and yeah. But as far as it goes, that's the box, that's the car, which today passed its blue slip, 100%. Holes are cut out there and there, or drilled out, so to say. For the amp, there's some of my distribution blocks. Got some braces just for the inside, cut out for the bottom, just for the corners. I'm going to do some other bracing as well. Yeah, that's about all that's happened. A few holes and shit. Had to go out and get the mail. Got the amps down here. Oh no, yeah, used the jigsaw to cut those bits out. And yeah, it's not too bad to use. So we've got all the walls and the sides glued and screwed, as you can see. All one big piece. And next we've got to put it on the bottom. Then we're just going to let it dry overnight, and then we're going to do the top tomorrow and start cutting out the holes. So that's the basic size of the box right there. All the holes drilled for amps and my distribution blocks and everything. And so yeah, that's the size. Just give you a comparison. So how big it is. That big thing. Don't know if that helps, but anyway, that's how big it's going to be. And here is the inside of the box. Got a bit of a surprise in here. Just a few channels that I like. 2 of mine, 1 of a mate's, and yeah, so you got Push Day School 1, the Polish Knob, and Peter G. Campbell. And yeah, that's the inside of the box. So if anyone ever buys this box off me and opens it up, that's what they're going to find. Let the box dry overnight. As you can see, I put in these little corner braces and one in the middle, just to keep it stronger. Can't really do that on the top because I put the top on, but it's only got 4 10s in it. You know, most people use this thicker 16mm MDF when they're using, you know, 18s, 15s, whatever. So yeah, it's pretty solid. About to put the lid on. I got to drill all the holes out around the top, and that's how it's going to look on top. And I have this amp on top, 2 bass control knobs, 1 on each side, because I've got 2 mono blocks and 2 tweeters sitting on top as well. But I got tweeter things that stick up rather than lie flat. And that'll be the top of the box. Just quickly before I put it together, I just thought I'd silicon up any of the grooves. Just quick, just like a really light coat, just to keep it airtight. You know, we want to do a good job here. So yeah, top's ready. There we go. Put that baby on there, like a boss. Okay, got holes for me bass control knobs, for me tweets, and for my amp. Yeah, motherfuckers, it's ready. Okay, so about to go and move this piece of shit out. Start painting. Rightio. We'll start painting. I'm gonna do a primer, obviously. First of all, and then we're doing some black. A few coats of two or three coats of black. This is not the front of the body. Well, this is the front. Okay, but I'm gonna have a faceplate that's gonna cover up these joins and all these screws all the way around. It's gonna be on the front. It also makes it a bit thicker for the screws to go into when I put the subs in, or 4 of them. And in the middle, put the port. Got my PVC pipe over here. Got a meter. So I'm gonna make a few different size ports, like a short port, long port, 3 or 4 different sizes, and that'll give a good, like you'll be able to adjust my sound accordingly. So yeah, it's all sanded down. Yeah, it's sanded. All vacuumed off, wiped off and shit. And so I'm just gonna move this car out, start painting.